Chris, sa masakit na katotohanan sa buhay pag-ibig at sa lumalalang karamdaman. Sa kanya social media account, ibinahagi ni Chris Aquino na iniwan na siya ng boyfriend niyang doktor. Ayon kay Chris, masakit ang katotohanan ng iniwan siya ng boyfriend dahil mahirap umano siyang mahalin at gusto nito ng kalayaan. Maalalang nakikipaglaban si Chris sa autoimmune na mga karamdaman. Klinaro din ni Chris na kahit magkasama sila noon ng doctor boyfriend, binayaran umano niya ang professional fee nito. Gayunpaman, umapila din si Chris sa ex-boyfriend na tigilan na sa pag-trash talk sa kanyang mga kaibigan at sa mga doktor na patuloy na tumutulong upang siya'y gumaling. Sa pag-update ni Chris sa dinaramdam na sakit, piniliwanag niya na tinurukan umano siya ng steroid sa tuhod, dahilan upang makaramdam ng sobrang sakit na kahit isang hakbang ng paglakad ay di niya magawa. Nagpasalamat din si Chris sa Panginoon sa lahat na nagdarasal para sa kanya at sa kanyang anak na si Bimb sa pag-aalaga sa kanya. During this time of uncertainty, I choose to share my painful truth. The doctor I loved left me because he wanted the freedom to travel, to break free from needing to care for, and the reality of Chris Aquino, who had multiplying autoimmune diseases with so few treatment options. Enough time has passed. He did not love me. In my defense, he did receive the correct professional fees, even when we were a couple. End of that chapter. Never akong natakot umamin ng katotohanan. The truth, in his words, iniwan kita dahil mahirap kang mahalin. Sobrang sikip ng paligid. My prayer is that he will now stop trash talking and cursing my best friends and doctors who are still doing all they can to improve my quality of life, proving everyday genuine love, compassion, and loyalty. Last night, my rheumatologist tried ultrasound-assisted targeted steroid shots on my knees. My body reacted the same way I did when we tried 34 months ago, the steroid challenge. Bimb is now doing MMA training and I weigh less than 80 pounds, only 36 kilos. I cannot walk. Each step is agony. The excruciating pain is from my knees all the way to my feet, a combination of deep bone pain, lupus arthritis, polymyositis, and acute fibromyalgia. I decided to post my current reality because I want to give hope. When you are unconditionally loved, when like me, you are blessed with a son who will do all to lessen his mama's physical and emotional suffering. Hindi ka susuko. Tinitiis ko yung matinding sakit na parte na ng bawat araw ko dahil ang pagmamahal ng anak ay walang katumbas. Life is difficult for all of us, but faith in God and real love, proven by action, gives all the needed willpower to persevere. Thank you, God. Thank you to all for your continued prayers for my healing, and to my Northern Star, Bimb, for being much more than your mama deserves. I love you, Ate. Thank you, Ate, at Zelda-san, for taking care of Kuya now. Tuloy ang laban. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.